What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another hype unboxing. Obviously, this is episode, I don't even know, probably 17, 18. But I have been in a hiatus. Obviously, I've been graduating college. Life happens. But we are back. And as you could see, we have a very special, or in this case, a very minimalistic package opening, right? If you could tell from this, these are size 2. And what other shoe do you know that is size 2? AKA the Yeezy Pods. Finally, right? Took 6 months. I literally just put it at the back of my head and then was like, all right, we'll see what happens. So I guess this was a little graduation gift from me of the past to the present. And these are it. So as you can see, these are kind of thick, more or less. Kind of thicker than more thick than a sock, but still has that stiffness to it and things like that. And the bottoms, as you could see, are rigid. Don't mind the glitter. I was wearing them in my house. I was mad excited. And some cool things about this is that you can see the little 2, which indicates the size of the actual Yeezy Pod. And as you can see, not a lot of marketing, or at the very least, designs, logos, anything that indicate this is as Yeezy or as Kanye, obviously. But I'm not gonna lie, once they were on feet, I instantly knew I had to wear these with joggers or something, right? Because they just have this very weird aesthetic, but something that some people could pull off, and you know who I am. Like, hello, come on, this the cur. Like, I'm that guy, pal. Relax. But being able to have these in hand after such a long wait is obviously something good and something that I cannot complain about. There's not much to it. Obviously, these are $20, so I would recommend to just get them when you can. Shipping will take a while, but I think they're definitely worth it. Keep in mind, they are $20, so be prepared to have $20 of quality, right? But the moment I put them on, they felt good. They could last you at least a good few wears before you could start noticing some rips, some, I guess, extensions, or some fabric just loosening up and things like that. But for me, I'm a size 8 to a 13. Now let me stop. But I'm typically a size, let's say 10.5, right? In terms of like a snug fit and things like that. And the size 2 actually fits pretty good. My toes would be like around here and actually have a perfect curvature on it. And I can't complain. So if you're a 10.5 with a kind of wide foot, definitely go for size 2. If not, then either go up or go down to see what happens. But nonetheless, hopefully y'all enjoyed this, and hopefully y'all get a pair on this. Because at the end of the day, just have them, bro. It's $20, right? And people are going to be like, but Kanye. I'm not going to speak on that. We're speaking on the product. But I digress. Nevertheless, hopefully you enjoyed it. And we'll be back next time. Peace.